Now we have to discuss the problems based on KVL with respect to independent sources. We are going to discuss the previous ESE questions, that is previously occurred ESE questions, gate questions, state level PSUs and SSC questions. ESE is nothing but engineering services examinations. So, these two questions occurred in ESE 2008. So, for the circuit shown, what is the voltage V if the source voltage is reduced by 50%? So, this is the source current. If the source voltage is reduced by 50%, what is the value of this V? We have to calculate. Okay. See, if for example, the source voltage plus, see the current direction, it is from negative to positive, that is why it is positive, this is negative. Source voltage is nothing but Vs, right. We have to calculate this voltage when the source voltage reduced by 50%. Before that, first we have to write the KVL balance equation, voltage balance equation by using KVL. So, see the current direction here, it is clockwise direction. Now, given it is clockwise direction, see from down to up clockwise direction. So, with respect to this, we have to write by KVL. See from here to here, minus 2 plus, that is minus Vs, coming to this, given negative and positive, plus minus I into R, coming to this, it is from positive to negative, that is why it is E, which is equals to 0. From this, V is equals to what? E minus IR, right? E is equals to E minus IR. That is given if the source voltage is reduced by 50%. If Vs is reduced by 50%, that is Vs by 2. That is Vs by 2, right. Therefore, Vs by 2, which is equals to E minus IR by 2, that is E by 2 minus IR by 2. What is this IR, which is equals to V is equals to I into R? So, from this V is equals to I into R. So, which is equals to E by 2 minus V by 2. So, what will happen if the source voltage reduced by 50%, the voltage which is present across the resistor also reduced by 50%. So, E by 2 minus V by 2 or E by E minus IR by 2, like this we have to write. Okay. So, next, for the network shown in figure, what is the voltage across current source? We have to follow. Next question, for the network shown in figure, what is the voltage across current source? We have to calculate the voltage across this current source. So, this is positive, this is negative, right. We have to calculate the voltage across this current source Vs. Okay. See the current direction, it is from down to up, that is anti-clockwise direction, this is I. Simple, apply KVL, that is it. So, from this negative to positive, so minus Vs, we have to calculate Vs, that is voltage across current source, that is minus Vs, positive to negative, plus I into R, again positive to negative, plus V is equals to 0. Algebraic sum of voltage in a loop is equals to 0. From this, V is equals to what? IR plus V, IR plus V, right. V is equals to IR plus V. This is option B is correct. Next question is, assuming ideal elements in the circuit shown below, the voltage VAB will be. So, we have to calculate the voltage across these two terminals. Okay, VAB, this is A terminal, this is B terminal. We have to calculate the voltage between these two terminals. So, this is asked in GATE 2008 as well as in Transcode 2012. Okay. see the current direction like this, right? This is the current direction. We have to calculate VAB. So, from based upon this current direction, it is from negative to positive, that is minus VAB coming to this plus 2 into I completed, this minus VAB plus 2 into I again minus negative to positive, that is 5, which is equals to 0. Simple, we have VAB and we have a resistive branch and we have a voltage source, that is only we have 3 elements, VAB, resistive branch is 5. So, minus to positive, that is why minus VAB, positive to negative, that is why plus into 2 into I, again minus to positive, that is minus 5 is equals to 0. We all know that I is equals to what? Given I is equals to 1 ampere, right? Given I is equals to 1 ampere. Therefore, minus VAB plus 2 into 1 minus 5 is equals to 0, that is minus VAB plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. From this, VAB is equals to minus 3 volts. This is the answer of minus 3 volts is nothing but the answer. Next question. This is asked in GATE 2010 as well as in Transcode 2012. This question and this question was asked in Transcode 2012. As shown in figure, a 1 ohm branch is connected across a voltage source that has a load line, that is V plus I is equals to 10. The current through resistance is what? We have to calculate the current through this resistance. So, the 1 ohm branch is connected across a voltage source and which is having a load line, that is V plus I is equals to 100. So, this is very important problem. So, given V plus I is equals to 100, right? From the circuit, see the current direction like this, right? Clockwise. So, starting from this voltage source, negative to positive, minus V, positive to negative, plus I into what is the value of resistance? 1, which is equals to 0, right? This is the voltage balance equation by using KVL. Minus V plus to minus 1 plus into I into 1. So, from this minus V plus I is equal to 0. So, therefore, V is equals to I, right? Therefore, V is equals to I. This is 1. This is from load line characteristic, right? This is from circuit. Therefore, from 1 and 2, substitute this V equals to I into this. Therefore, I plus I is equals to 100, that is substitute this into this. I plus I is equals to 100, that is 2 I is equals to 100. From this I is equals to what? 50 amps. From this current is 50 amps. The option is B. This is the problem which is asked in GATE 2014. So, in this figure the value of resistor R is given as 25 plus I by 2, where the value of current is what? We have to calculate the value of current. Solution: given R is equals to 25 plus I by 2, right. So, from this we have to calculate I. So, R is equals to 50 plus I by 2, right. From this I is equals to 2R minus 50. From this I is equals to 2R minus 50, that is it. Okay. So, this is the current from given data. R is given as 25 plus I by 2. From this R equals to 50 plus I by 2. From this I is equals to 2R minus 50, that is it. This is 1. From the circuit, see the current direction, it is given as like this. So, this is positive, this is negative, and the negative positive. So, by KVL, from this I into R, positive to negative, that is why I into R like this, no? This is the current direction, negative to positive, minus 300, which is equals to 0. Simple, we have two elements, voltage source and resistor. From this I into R minus 300 equals to 0. Therefore, IR is equals to 300. From this substitute the value of I here, that is 2R minus 50 into R, which is equals to 300, that is it. That is 2R square minus 50R minus 300, which is equals to 0. Therefore, R square minus 25R minus 150, which is equals to 0. So, it can be written as minus 30R plus 5R minus 150 is equals to 0. So, after solving this, we can get R is equals to 30 and R is equals to minus 5 ohms. We are having these values. R should be 30 ohms and R should be minus 5. So, negative R is not possible. Therefore, R should be equals to what? 30 ohms, right? Therefore, from equation 1, which implies I is equals to what? 2R minus 50. Therefore, I is equals to 2 into 30 minus 50. Therefore, I is equals to 10 amps. This is the value of current, that is I is 10 amps. This is previously asked question in GATE 2014. So, next question, this is asked in GATE 2016. So, in the circuit shown below, the voltage and current sources are ideal. So, this voltage source and this current source are ideal. The voltage across the current source in volt is, we have to calculate the voltage across this current source, we have to calculate. Okay. See, the current direction is given, that is like this, no? See, like this, anti-clockwise direction. Starting from here, that is minus V out plus minus plus I into 2 plus minus plus 10, which is equals to 0. So, from this V out is equals to what? 2I plus 10. Given I is equals to what? 5 plus 10, which is equals to what? 20 volts. V out is equals to 20 volts. Option D is correct. This is asked in GATE 2016. Next question is, the value of resistance between terminals A and B is changed to 5 ohms. So, the given circuit is between A and B is 3 ohms, later it will be changed to 5 ohms, then the compensating voltage is what? So, this question was asked in state level examination, that is EPDCL, that is EPDCL 2014 for 1 mark. Okay? We have to calculate the compensating voltage. So, from this, based upon the current direction, minus 8 plus I into 1 plus I into 3, right, which is equals to 0. Only voltage source, 2 resistive branches. From this, minus 8 plus 3I plus I, that is 4I, which is equals to 0. From this, I is equals to what? 2 amps. The current, that is 2 amps. Okay. Next, between these two terminals the resistive branch is changes, then the circuit becomes what? You know the value of voltage, right? So, between these two A and B, you have 5 ohms, you have 1 ohm, and this is V, we do not know, plus minus, but we know that the current is 2 amps. So, from this minus V plus 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 plus again 2 into 5, which is equals to 0. From this V is equals to what? 12 volts. Therefore, compensating voltage, that is delta V, which is equals to, here we got 12 volts with respect to 5 ohm branch minus 8 with respect to 3 ohm branch, 8. Therefore, compensating voltage equals nothing but 4 volts. Then the option is B. Or we can calculate, see, we got current is 2 amps, no? Or compensating voltage delta I is nothing but, sorry, delta V, which is nothing but I into R, or change I into change in, right? Delta V equals to current in the circuit and change in the value of resistance. So, from this delta V is what? What is the value of I? 2. Change in resistance is nothing but what? 5 minus 3, right? So, delta V is 2 into 2, 4 volts. So, like this also we can calculate.